So guys, let's create a new project. Tab on top left button. Select the folder where you have your files. Let's go with this one. Go to background. Select the proper aspect ratio, like for TikTok 9:16 and for YouTube 16:9. Select the layer, adjust the size and position. Tab on the layer again to unselect. Go to PIP, Material, select the black background, fit to screen. Give the layer same duration as the video. Go to Mask, Mirror. With this mask, we can crop the video equally from top and bottom. Tap on this button to invert the mask. Now just move the arrow marker to adjust the black bar. And we are done. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.